What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. Andre here with a new video. Finally, it's been a while since I recorded a video. So today I had a really good day trading, that's why I'm recording. And I want to talk with you about the stock market, guys. The stock market is booming, in case you didn't notice. Stock market is booming, okay? Ever since the vaccine news, some people seem to think that this is because of Biden winning. What? No. Okay, this is the vaccine, sorry. And yeah guys, because of that vaccine, the market is responding very well to it. Now, what do I always tell you guys in the day trading videos is, when you see really good news, look for shorts, okay? And yesterday, which was the day that the news was announced, now to you it was probably 2 days ago because I don't record and send the video in the same day, but basically, before market open, the futures were extremely high and the pre-market was extremely high as well. So seeing all that bull run, I just didn't look for short positions and I started looking for long, and I had a good day. I made like 1600 bucks, which is amazing. Now I upgraded my position from 20 to 50k. I'm not sure how long I will be doing that. Okay, it's a lot of money and I'll probably in the future, if I don't feel extremely comfortable with it, reduce it again to not 20 but like 30k, okay, instead of this big like I jumped a lot from 20 to 50k. It's a lot of money up, but I felt comfortable, or I felt like I had to, in order to develop more my day trading skills. So yeah, so I'm trading with 50k. That's why I made 1600 bucks, which is more than what I usually make, as you guys know and seen from previous videos. Now today I was like, guys, good news, I didn't short yesterday, and yesterday the market pulled up like a ton. It pushed highs, like it broke new highs, NQ, S&P 500, actually I'm not sure if the NQ broke new highs, but I think ES did. So I decided, no, let's just look, let's just wait for the first like 10 minutes, let's see where the market is. Futures in pre-market were down. The pre-market was down, stocks were pulling back, and I was like, yeah, this is it. Today's a short day. So I only took shorts. Now, this is not true. I did something in the end, but I will get to it, okay? Even though the title says I made over 4k, I actually made 5k and then messed up. Okay, but I will talk about it. So yeah, I started looking for what's very overextended, like what has been really pushing, especially on NQ, because NQ is Nasdaq, by the way, which is like a stock exchange more for sorry about the phone, more for the tech companies. So it's like the young cooler brother of the New York stock exchange. It's not even a building, okay, it's just a stock exchange online. And it's Nasdaq, and it has like an index that is called the NQ, which basically tracks like the biggest 100 companies, if I'm not mistaken. So NQ, which is a future, the future of NQ actually, sorry, was going down, okay? So I was like, okay, so cool tech companies, Tesla, Apple, Amazon not really. I'm not sure if Amazon is NQ, I don't think so. But like, those companies will probably pull back. And then I start thinking, Tesla hasn't really pulled up. Like, Tesla has been trolling us all of this time. I still have my position, guys. I sold NIO back at 21. That thing is a 40 something. Like, I still cry every day because of NIO. Jesus Christ. But what happened, like, and my thought process was, Tesla is not really doing anything. What's the stock that I know that is really parabolic? That is like Tesla. Freaking NIO, okay? That thing is at 40 something. We can actually see. Hopefully you guys can see my screen. NIO went to 45.20, man. I sold this at 21. I have nightmares every day because of this. I made 5k on that trade, and I'm like, yeah, I could have made so much money, man. I could be a billionaire. Just kidding, but I could have made so much money. It literally went from 21 after I sold to 45.20. This is illegal, guys. It should be illegal. Like, what the heck is wrong with this company? But yeah, NIO is the company. Let's check the daily chart. By the way, this is the TradeNet new software, which is dope. I will show you in a while. If you're an American, you no longer have access to TradeNet because of the old TAFS platform was unavailable in the US. This platform is not TAF, so maybe they will open to the US again, not sure. Okay, if you don't know what TradeNet is, I will tell you in the end. This video is not about TradeNet or whatever it is, getting commissions, making money. It's not about that, okay? I want to be poor all my life. But see this stock, guys, like what the heck? TradeNet doesn't really go that far back. So, oh, actually it does. It went all the way from the beginning. So it was like $2, $3, right? It's a fucking 40, sorry about that. It's a 45. Freaking parabolic stock, am I right? But yeah, it's super overvalued. I'm overextended is the word. Overvalued, I'm not sure, to be honest. They're delivering, they're selling cars. They're not like Nikola. I've seen people saying, yo, NIO is the new Nikola. Nikola didn't sell any cars. NIO does, okay? Last report was like 5k cars or 4k, I don't remember. They actually sell cars and the cars are pretty decent. But yeah, it's super overextended, so I decided let's look for shorts on NIO because it's a short day, okay? And so I did, okay? I shorted NIO. Oh, you can actually see like my mess up on NCLH. I'll tell you in the end. But basically, yeah, I shorted NIO. I shorted a couple of other stocks like Glop, which is a penny stock. I don't usually do it, but the short was so great. I can actually show you. You can see the... See, it dropped all day. This was a very nice stock to trade, and I closed the position way earlier than what I should. Let's see the 5 minute maybe. Okay, so I grabbed a little bit of this short, right? So it opened all the way here, 280, and I shorted, I think it was during these initial candles. Yeah, it was during here, somewhere. And then it dropped lower. So I made some money on that, like 2k, and then I did the rest on NIO by shorting it again, okay? NIO, 5 minute chart, again, I shorted this initial movement. I think it was like around here. But then at the end, like at the midday, actually 15:50, this thing is cool, it tells you the time. Oh, this is in Portuguese time. Cool. Okay, it doesn't tell you the American time. So it was like an hour and a half after the open of the market. So yeah, do the math based on your time zone, okay? But yeah, the market started pulling back for no freaking reason. I still don't know why the market went up. Like, I have no idea if some news broke out. I was like asking people, yo, did Trump get elected again? Like, what happened? Why is the market pushing so hard? Because look at these candles. These candles are huge, guys. They're freaking huge candles, right? So the market went up a lot. But yeah, I had taken my trades. I was super happy. My trades were not that long. Oh, and by the way, right at the beginning of the market, I wanted to sell NIO, but I bought. Like, I did a buy instead of a sell. And I lost $500 right at market open because I was like, you know, I want to short this, and I bought. I don't know why I did it. It's really easy to do it the correct way. Yeah, I fucked up basically. Yeah, I lost $500, so I had to make it back on NIO. Good trade, and I then traded Glop as well. You can actually see my positions. So more on NIO right here. Again, 2 shorts that I took on NIO. And then I traded some EVM for really low amounts of money. I traded a bunch of stocks. I even traded like a Petrobras, which is Brazilian oil company. I think I did. Yeah, here it is, $100. You know, it's not that much money when you look into the full day, which is 4.4k, right? But it was actually above 5k, and I went into NCLH in the last half an hour. And I shorted. No, I went long. And the stock came down. Now, I'm not sure why I did it. It was pure gambling. Like, I looked at the order and it was a 1-to-1 ratio, which I don't take. That's garbage, okay? You guys know that's garbage. You want 2-to-1 ratio. You want to make more than what you're risking. You don't want to risk $1 to make $1. That's dumb. That's the way you lose money. You want to risk $1 to make 1 million. Just kidding. To make $2 at least, okay? Like at least 1.5. Okay, risk 1 to make 1.5. That's the minimum. It was a 1-to-1, terrible trade. And then I closed it on like extremely red. I lost like $900. Like, it was multiple fills, so yeah, don't know. But I think it's like $900 if you do the math. Yeah, I was above 5k. Still a great day. Still like one of my best days so far with trading with 50k positions. Actually, some of these trades I went with 100k, guys. So yeah, that was not smart at all. But yeah, it was a stupid day because I was so confident. I don't do this usually, guys, but I was super confident on the market going down, so I took big trades. Okay, but yeah, I messed up like on NTLH. You can actually see the chart. Yeah, it was around, where was it? It doesn't tell me where the trade was, but like I thought that it was going to go down and then it went. No, actually I thought it was going to go up, sorry. Yeah, I think I went long like here, 2039, something like that. You can actually see. Wait, is this it? 2047. Where the heck was this? These numbers can't be right, can they? 2047? What? I don't know, guys. I know that I longed it and it went down and then I had to cut my position because it was at the end of the day. I don't usually trade at that time, but I was up over 5k. I felt lucky and I was like, this is an amazing day. Let's make it even better. Yeah, and it completely blew the other way. I'm still happy with the day, but I'm very disappointed in this trade in particular. I lost more money during the day at that stupid start, 500 bucks through the garbage, terrible trade hit there. This was a good trade on WTRH, which is a penny stock as well, but it went the other way. That happens when you're day trading, okay? That's completely okay. If you're losing 200 to make 1,000, who cares, right? But yeah, this one was, it was stupid. I was stupid. I am stupid. But yeah, so yeah, this is the new platform that TradeNet is using, by the way. Extremely cool. Let's say you want to buy at this level. I have some shortcuts now. So basically I just place it here. It opens up a box. I set the quantity 100 and you can set the stop loss immediately and the take profit. Back on TAPS you couldn't do this, right? And you can drag it around, like move the stop loss, the take profit. It's honestly amazing. Like I have no other ways to describe this. It's so easy to trade on these right now. Oh, and if you actually press it, you can change the number of shares, 1,000 shares, and it will automatically calculate the number of ticks and the amount on US dollars that you will make or lose. So again, if you don't know what 2-to-1 ratio is, if I'm making 500 bucks, if this was my target and this was my entry, my risk would have to be no more than 2 to 50. Okay. Again, this stop loss has to make sense. It has to be an actual level on the chart. It can't be, oh, it's just half of the take profit. And the reason why you can't do that, let's say that half of the take profit is exactly at 10 bucks and 1 cent, and this stock usually bounces from 10 bucks. You will get stop, the stock will drop 1 cent and then go up, right? So your stop has to be below the 10 bucks because it has to break the support in order for you to believe that that support is no longer valid. Okay, so you have to make sure that your stop loss is at a good level, a good technical level, but at the same time have this amazing ratio. Again, the take profit also has to be at a technical level, okay? So it's not random. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I don't even know. I don't have a course. Maybe I create one. Should I create a course? Because some people DM me on Instagram and ask me on Instagram and Discord, and I think like a couple of YouTube comments and ask me, how can I start day trading? So one of the things that I recommend you to start is to get books. Okay, this is an ebook reader. I don't think I have trading book. I have some here for sure. I'm actually reading one about, this is about quantum trading, which is basically trading with computers and algorithms and all of that. But yeah, read. That's the one thing. But you're not going to be a pro from reading. You have to do it. And I can't really recommend any course. I have the link in the description for Ricky's course, but honestly, it's very entry level, especially because nowadays it's very outdated, because on the course he trades ETFs that no longer exist, okay, which is UGAS and DGAS. They no longer exist. He doesn't trade those anymore. So yeah, I wouldn't really like really recommend Ricky's course. It's decent on an entry level, but yeah, it's not amazing. Should I create one? Like, because I don't want to do mentoring, guys. Mentoring, like 1 hour of my life, that person would have to pay me a lot, because to me time is worth more than money. So for me to be worth the hour of mentoring, that person would have to spend a lot of money, which is not worth it in my opinion. Yeah, you would learn a skill that can make you more money, but I don't know, guys. I wouldn't feel right with that. But if it's a course and let's say 10 people want to join, and I make a course for like, I don't know, what do people charge? Like $300? I don't even know what people charge, right? That's 3K. Okay, it's decent. Okay, I'm teaching 10 people and I'm making 3K. Okay, I will make the videos. I will create some sort of way to communicate with you guys, like with a Discord or whatever. But yeah, but only if you guys are interested. Like, I don't want to create a course just to create a course. Like, a lot of people have courses. I can't really recommend anyone other than Ricky's. It's decent, but that's it. Okay, I'm not going to tell you it's the best course ever, because it was when I started. Like, it was a very decent course, but nowadays I feel it's outdated. Okay, and I learned so much more about the market that right now, you know, it feels very entry level to me. So maybe if you are entry level, it could be for you. I don't know. I would definitely create something, you know, that also has the basics, but has more than that. But yeah, that's it, guys. So yeah, I made 4.3K. Again, the market, what it will do tomorrow, which is probably today for you. I have no idea, guys, what to expect. I was expecting this pullback, but I was not, I'm sorry, the pullback, I mean the drop, but I was not expecting the midday shift in momentum. Like, the market just said, nope. Look at this, low 1938, and then the stock moved twice to 2039. Twice it did it. Right? And now it's not dropping during the post market. It's definitely dropping, but not like a big push like Tesla. See? Like, it dropped a ton. You went below 400. It's a 410. NIO, same thing probably, same spiel. By the way, what's Pfizer at? These guys dropped the vaccine, by the way. Yeah, he dropped a shit ton, guys. What the heck? Really? Holy sh! This is a huge pullback. What the? Let's do the 1 day. This was not supposed to be the... Oh, okay. It's still trading above what it was before the vaccine, but dang, these candles are ugly. Jesus Christ. Beyond Meat is probably a good swing. In case you guys are looking for swings, Beyond Meat is probably one of them. It had a good day. Okay. You know, I thought that after that drop, if you don't know what it is, it's I think it's a meat company or like a vegan company. I don't even know. But it had very bad earnings and it dropped like 30% in a day, in a night actually. So, you know, it was a good buy because it was very, very low. Overreaction for sure, because a lot of people were expecting good earnings and that didn't happen. Yeah, I've talked way more than what I wanted to, like 20 minutes. Why? But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Made 4.3K, super happy. I'm probably going to make a video on how to become rich from the stock market, but not day trading, investing, okay? Yeah, not sure if you guys are wanting that or not. I don't want to talk about the elections, guys, because a lot of people are doing that. It is what it is. Bernie won. The stock market will be a little bit more, like, it will be slower than with Trump's. But that's it, okay? It's still going to go up. It's still the freaking US of A, right? It's still the best country, and they're just kidding. Okay, I don't believe that. I'm not American, so I can't believe that. But Americans do believe that, so, you know. But yeah, like, the economy in the US is amazing. Even with a more, like, leftist president, which he's not, but his tax plan is a little bit on the left side. Like, he's increasing taxes a lot. Like, stuff is going to get more expensive. I don't think that people realize this. They're like, oh, he's going to tax the rich. You do realize that the rich make their money from the poor, therefore they will increase the prices on stuff that the poor buy. So There's no taxes are always supported by the final client. Always, okay? Like if you come to Portugal, stuff is not very expensive, but then you see the tax, right? So yeah, and like a Model 3 costs what, 80k? That's a Tesla, by the way, that costs 40k in the US. Costs double here. And people make way less money because there's way more taxes on their wages. So yeah, like a monthly wage here is 600 bucks a month. I just made that in a year, what people make in a year, almost. But yeah, guys, let's not extend this video. I really don't want to talk about that. It is what it is. The market is still going to be bullish. I mean, let's look into SPY real quick just to end this. SPY, S&P 500. Look at this. It's in all-time highs, guys, okay? This is all-time high. Yesterday, it went completely like I said, the S&P 500 made all-time highs. Like, what the freak is going on, right? This is pre-corona, exactly? No, not exactly. When is this? Corona was way back here. Oh, it only charged 6 months. Yeah, it's not the best for a long. This is for day trading. This platform is for day trading, guys. You get 80k to trade with if you get the student program, okay? For free, not free. You have to pay the student program and they give you 80k. So yeah, guys, hopefully, yeah, you liked this video. I didn't really teach anything, to be honest. It was just me bragging that I made 4k. And that I messed up on NCLH. Jesus, like, that was a stupid gamble, guys. I'm so sad with myself, but it is what it is. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Make sure you drop a dislike on the way out to help the YouTube algorithm ban me or something. I don't know. Yeah, we have real estate videos as well. And I want to focus more on the market and real estate because I kind of stopped. I didn't stop, but I really scaled down e-com. So yeah, I want to focus more on the market and on real estate. Okay, so there will be more videos about that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!